All right. Let's try that again. So, first day of 2018, January 1st. How's everybody doing? It is your man, Daniel Wiafe. Hope everybody had a good, excellent celebration last night. If you went out, if you stayed at home, whatever you did, hope you had a good one. So, what's up, David? Hey, as you guys come on board, let me know who's on board. Go ahead and type in your name in the comments. Tell me something good. Give me a little emoji. Give me some love or whatever, okay? Like this, love this, and all that other stuff, all right? So, yeah, we had an excellent time last night for New Year's. We went out with my brother and sister and just had a great time. But, hey, one thing that I'm going to start doing in 2018 is I'm going to start doing daily videos Monday through Friday. So just something that I'm doing for my own personal development purposes and all of that. What's up, Lance Leitner? Happy New Year to you, man. Happy New Year to you too, Randolph and Billy Burr. Happy New Year's. What's up, Tyrone Sutton? It's all good. So yeah, we got back home around 3 o'clock, I want to say, but that's not going to stop me from getting to the gym. I'm going to do about 3 miles on the tread and a little bit of light lifting, and then I'm good for the day. So, woo! You can't stop progress, you guys. Somebody hashtag that in the comments area. You can't stop progress, all right? So, look, I know I didn't put anything in the title description on what the heck I'm going to do this video on, but I'm going to do it on goals for 2018. One of them being not to worry or care about what other people think. All right. Don't worry or care about what other people think. And what's up, Sabrina Mish? And look, whether somebody wants to agree with it or not, that's something which keeps a lot of us from moving forward and getting big, huge results in life is we care about what other people think. All right. Now, obviously, we have people that are loved ones. We have people that we care about. We have people that we put in high places of respect that we do care about what they think, okay? But the biggest thing, you guys, that can keep us from moving forward in progress or attaining big, huge things that we want to achieve in life, you guys, is we're worried about what people think, okay? Now, at the end of the day, it should not matter to you what anybody thinks, all right? If you want to do something, guess what? Just do it, all right? Just do it. Somebody hashtag that in the comments area. Just do it. All right. You got to be like a Nike slogan and just do it. All right. If God plays something in your heart or in your spirit to do, if you know that there's something that you need to get out there and do, if you want to start a business, if you want to go make a move and move to another state, if you want to get into a new relationship, if you want to change jobs, if you want to lose 15, 20 pounds or whatever, if you want to get yourself into a new activity, you want to start having kids, you want to do this, that, A, B, C, X, Y, Z, does not matter what it is, you guys, then guess what, baby? Just do it. All right. Don't worry or care about what other people think. And many times, you guys, we get wrapped up in thinking about, oh my God, what's Sally going to think if I do this? Or what's Jimmy going to do if I do this? Or, what's my next door neighbor going to say or think if they see me doing this? All right. What if I fail and people start laughing at me? Who cares what people think? Okay. Just get out there, you guys, and do the things that need to be done for your life, for your family, for your household, and for your peace. All right. Because we all have goals that we aspire to achieve. We all have things which we want to go after in life, all right? And one of the biggest things which will stop you and prevent you from achieving that progress that you desire, you guys, is worrying about what people think, okay? Because when you worry about what other people think, then that keeps you in a place or a spot where you try and do everything the safe manner, okay? You try and do things which are safe. You try and do things which are too conservative, all right? You never take a chance. You never step out there. And that's the biggest mistake that any of us can do, you guys, all right? So, it doesn't matter what it is, you guys. I mean, I don't know what it is that you guys want to do, all right? Billy Burr said, or a close family member or members. Yeah, don't worry about what they think, okay? It doesn't matter if a person is your family member or if they're, let's say, a teacher, a boss, a coworker, a friend, or whoever, even a spouse, okay? If there's something which you know in your heart that you should be doing, and it's just like burning in your heart or your spirit for you to do it, then you need to do it, because you are going to regret not doing the things which you know that you should have done. All right. And many times, you guys, there's going to be some things which you may have thought that you should go after, let's say 5 years ago, 6 years ago, 10 years ago, or a year ago, all right? And you're like, okay, well, dang, I wish I'd done this back in 2008, or I wish I'd done this back in 2005, all right? Well, guess what? There is no time like the present, all right? So just because you didn't do it 5 years ago, 3 years ago, 10 years ago, you guys, guess what? Today is a new day. It's a new year, 2018. Make things happen, right? Don't worry about what happened in the past. The only thing that is in your control now is the present and the future. And your present, that the things that you do at the present moment, at the current moment, is going to be the things which are going to lead you into greatness in the future moments. All right. But the thing is, if you don't follow your dreams, like Victor Suggs just said, dream snatchers, don't let dream snatchers snatch your dreams, because if they snatch your dreams, you're going to have a nightmare, and none of us want to be in a nightmare, right? Right. So follow your dreams. Make your dreams your reality. But it only starts by you not being afraid or fearful about what other people think. All right. Because we're afraid that if we fail in front of other people, that they will think bad things about us. All right. They will think negative things about us. All right. Who cares? Okay. Who cares if you start a website and nobody visits the website? Who cares if you start a business and nobody pays you any money for your services or products? Okay. Who cares if you write a book and nobody buys the book? All right. Who cares if you get out there, you try and go to the gym and lose weight and you don't lose a single pound? Okay. That's the mindset that you must have. All right. You must have that mindset that I don't care. I'm just going to do it. Because when you just get out there and do it, then more likely than not, you are going to get positive results. But the thing which is going to be 100% certain is, if you don't do it, guess what? You're not going to get the results that you desire in life. Okay. So again, you guys, don't worry about what other people think about what you're doing in life. Just get out there and get it done. Okay. And trust me, those people that may have said bad things about you or thought bad about you or whatnot, they're gonna be in your boat. They're gonna be in your camp. They're gonna be on your bandwagon once you do have that success. All right, because success has a crazy way of making people jump on your bandwagon once it has come into fruition. All right, so you guys have an excellent rest of your January 1st, your New Year's. Make things happen, you guys.